Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox queue. First, open Roblox Studio and create a new place. You'll need a server-side script to manage player connections and a user interface for player interaction. We'll start by setting up a basic framework, including a dedicated folder in Server Script Service for our queue logic. This foundational step ensures all components are organized and easily accessible for future development, making the process smooth and efficient from the very beginning. Next, let's dive into the core scripting. You'll use a table to store player ID, acting as your queue. When a player joins, add their user ID to this table. When it's their turn, remove them and teleport them to the desired game instance. Implement a system to check the queue's length, perhaps allowing up to 20 players at a time. Remember to use remote events for secure communication between the client and server, ensuring a robust and responsive queuing experience for everyone. Now, let's focus on the player experience. Design a simple graphical user interface, or GUI, with a button to join the queue and a text label displaying their current position. Update this label in real time using client-side scripts that listen for server events. Provide clear visual feedback, like a green checkmark when successfully queued or a red X if an error occurs. This ensures players always know their status, enhancing their overall engagement and reducing confusion. Finally, consider advanced features. You might implement a priority system for VIP players, allowing them to bypass a portion of the queue, perhaps moving up by 5 positions. Also, build in error handling for disconnections or game crashes, ensuring players aren't stuck indefinitely. Optimize your scripts to handle hundreds of players efficiently, perhaps by using a debounce of a few seconds to prevent spamming. These refinements create a more polished and reliable queuing system for your Roblox experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.